This is the PowerXL Nutrisealer Duo. It's a vacuum sealer, you guys, right? We're gonna marinate our meat, which is gonna make it even better. We're gonna vacuum only. This is so light, you can hold it up. So now, instead of marinating overnight, right, you can marinate in 30 minutes. I'm grilling inside because I have the PowerXL Smokeless grill. We're gonna make a rub. Cumin, about a teaspoon. Coriander, about a teaspoon. Minced onion, couple of tablespoons. Chopped garlic, they call it, couple of tablespoons. Black pepper, salt, couple of tablespoons. Coffee. We want to add a little bit of sweetness with brown sugar. Then what we're going to do is we're going to dry rub them like this. To top off our steaks, I'm going to add a little garlic. You add some mayo. In this case, we're doing a Parmesan crust. I like to add these crispy onions in. I want to get it to come together so it almost becomes a paste. I wanted to show the grill marks before I topped it with the Parmesan crust.
Yeah, they
so
look
you
beautiful.
See those? I mean, aren't they pretty? But there's no smoke. And that's the magic of the PowerXL Smokeless Grill. And then what I did is I just grilled up some rapini. We have some really, really delicious strip steak. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.